உள்ளதே அண்டம் அண்டமும் பிண்டமும் ஒன்றே அறிந்து தான் ஆக்கும் போது. Satamuni Siddhar has so beautifully told us, and for those who have noticed this diagram, you will see right and left brains and what we are doing to our world by our emphasis on the left. Quantity, 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 more, more, more. And there's one day we realize we cannot survive on money alone. Well, time and tide wait for no one, and lunch is coming soon. Because as Shakespeare in Richard II tells us, I wasted time and now time wastes me. A diagram that our professor from Lucknow has given us earlier, and you have been hearing about the Arithmetian, circadian and infradian rhythms, of which the nasal cycle is one of those ultradian rhythms that is shorter than the 24-hour cycle, and as Sir said, between 1 to 4 hours, alternating between right and left, and in between you have both nostrils. Before I go to this, we have something in yoga called yantra that enables us to look at a lifespan of 81 years as 9 segments of 9 years each, and that each of these segments influences the other segments. And I think this is why the study being quoted by Dr. Vishwanath is very beautiful, because the onset at what happens when you are born, the place you are born, the way you are born. LSCS is different than normal. Now we are realizing it. And so we quote the babies with other stuff nowadays. Well, all these cycles, when each cycle moves, it influences the other cycles in different phases of our life. And when all the cycles keep moving, it makes us what we are. Cycle within cycle within cycle, reminding us of Charlie Chaplin's Modern Times, where something very much like that was there. Even the Nordic people, not just our Indian culture, all the ancient cultures of the world, people used to talk of East and West. I just say talk about the ancient and the modern, because East is as bad as the West or as good as the West today. So there's no distinction in East or West, it's old and new. But they had this concept of wheels within wheels, where you had a blue circle, the galaxy, a black circle, the star wheel, a season wheel, and a 24-hour wheel. Very beautiful. And never forget these wheels. Each one of us influences each and every other person who we interact with. And as you said, social rhythm therapy. I think this is so important. We are what we are because of our interaction with everyone who comes into our life, either to teach us what to be or to teach us what not to be. Swarodaya Vigyan. This is the concept of the nasal cycle in the ancient Indian texts, and Kaiser in 1895 made the first formal description of it, but we have had this concept of Swara, Udaya and Vigyan. Swara as the sound made as you breathe in and out. Now each time you breathe in and out, there is a sound. The yogis say that when you breathe in, the higher universe, the macrocosm is coming in. It is called Sa, a sibilant sound, a hissing sound. When you breathe out, it is the ahamkara, the individuality going out. So the Saha and the Hum becomes the Hamsa Soham, which is called the Ajapa, Japa, Ajapa Gayatri. We are constantly breathing out our individuality and bringing in the universality, but unconsciously. The moment we realize it consciously, we become a much better human being. The yogis have talked about this in very poetic manners, and a very beautiful description of that as the sun and the moon, the heat and the cold, the Pingala Nadi, Ida Nadi, and of course the opposite, because right nostril, left brain, left nostril, right brain. So the Shiva, the masculine on the left and the feminine on the right. The Ida Swara, which is when the air is flowing in your left nostril. And I just request you, just put your hand here and just take in and out a few breaths. The best will be to take a simple glass slide, and you see the air condensing on it. That is how we do our studies in CITA. Very simple labs, not like your labs, but very simple. But we are trying to evaluate what happens with the different techniques. The left nostril is described as feminine and Shakti and moonlight, Chandra Swara, whereas the right as masculine and Surya Swara, connected to our right and left brain activities. And that is why we are to be constantly looking for balance. Yoga is all about balance. Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, and Adkoli sir will love the reference to the Bhagavad Gita. He says, Samatvam Yoga Uchate. He says, yoga is harmony, yoga is equanimity, yoga is balance. And again, balance is not something that you attain once. It's like health. You cannot say, I'm healthy now and I'm going to be healthy forever. Every day, every moment is a challenge. And when the tennis player becomes number one on our Indian cricket team, you saw what happened the other day to them, massacred by New Zealand. And just a couple of weeks ago, we were at the top. What it is, the higher you go, the greater the challenge. A conscious challenge, constantly you are trying to balance right, left, up, down, in, out, depression, mania. We are trying to constantly balance. And that is what is being brought out in this. As Sir so beautifully said, it is suggested in the Shiva Swarodaya, one of the ancient texts on this concept, that the physical activities, robust, dynamic, Raudra Karya, those dynamic activities, when the right nostril is dominant, the quieter, passive, Saumya Karya in the left, and spiritual activities, when you go inside, forget about this external world. As Adi Shankara says, it's all Maya. When you go inside, make sure that you are in tune with yourself, the Sushumna Swara. Very interestingly, this concept of we being in tune and our nasal cycle being a reflection of it was understood by the yogis, and they said that at sunrise, again please